Hello Donnelly fam, this is Sherry coming at you with a brand new Ford F-150. It's this avalanche gray. It is a beautiful neutral color and it's got equipment package 302A on it, and I'll go over some of the other features with you. You have two tow hooks in the front. You've got parking sensors, gorgeous chrome wheels on here, extended mirrors for when you're hauling a trailer, running boards with non-skid pads on both sides, 3 seats in the back, so that gives you seating for 5 comfortably. And these back seats lift up to give you just a little bit more room inside of the cab for those times if you have something that's a little bit tall. You've got the 355 max tow rear axle on here. One super nice feature of this is you have a step that comes right out of the back of the tailgate. If you have to jump in and out of your truck, more than a time or two, this just makes a huge difference in your comfort and the ease of accessibility. Back here along the edge of the tailgate, you have 48 inches measured off in 1/4 inch increments. There's a small door in the right-hand side of your tailgate, so maybe you have some power tools that have batteries you don't want to get wet. Over here on the left side, you've got a plug for your power tools. Here in the back, for the convenience of your backseat passengers, you have 2 more plugs for your devices, wireless charging for your phone, as well as a couple more outlets. You've got power seats on the driver's side, already loaded with your heavy-duty tow package, backup parking sensors, and of course a backup camera for your convenience. Here inside the back, you've got push-button start. Here you've got your shift-on-the-fly drive mode options. You have 2- and 4-wheel high and low, as well as your 2-wheel high, which is what you will typically be in if you're not turning something. Up here is where you're going to set your trailer brake, and how you set it's going to depend on that weight. You have an absolutely giant screen to work from up here, built-in navigation, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, and heated front seats are really nice in the winter. This is a beautiful F-150 in avalanche gray. If you would like to take a look at this, come on out. We are here Monday through Saturday to serve our customers, and at Donnelly you're always going to get taken very good care of. Come and ask for Sherry and I will be more than happy to get you in this and on your way.